Hello, in this video, we will demonstrate how to connect the Fanvil door fan to an electric lock. The components needed for this demonstration include the 12 volts power adapter, AWG wires, electric lock, and Fanvil door fan. Please refer to this diagram for the wiring during the setup. Note that in this demonstration, the electric lock is connected to the door fan through relay 1. First, we need to connect the negative terminal of the 12 volts power adapter to the negative terminal of the electric lock. The positive terminal to the COM1 connection on the door fan device. After making the connections, gently pull the wires outward to ensure they are secure. Then, take another wire and connect the NC1 terminal on the door fan device to the positive terminal of the electric lock. After completing the wiring, connect the device to power and network, and connect the electric lock to power and start up normally. Log into the web interface of the door fan. Go to Security Settings. Find the configuration options for output 1 and change the status to normally close. Next, go to User, click Add, enter the name and card number to complete the card addition. We bring the card close to the card reader area of the door fan and see that the electric lock opens normally.